Welcome to our chocolate shop, where we make the finest chocolates in Europe. Would you like to see maybe how we make our iconic truffles?
Welcome to our kitchen. My father started the business back in 1958 using these finest European ingredients such as cream, butter, herbs, nuts, raisins, everything. Of course, since 1958 a lot has changed, since now we use these machines suitable for the European safety regulations. But let me show you how we make the truffles, a recipe my father has made in 1958. So we first make the filling, and after we make the filling we just spray the truffles in small pieces like this. After having this done, we put the truffles in the refrigerator for say about one night, so we can easily take them up in order to put them through our chocolate. Of course, I already did this, and then we just easily put the truffles a little bit hard in the chocolate. We dip them, shake them out very good in order to get all the chocolate unnecessary to surround it get away, and then we just turn the truffles around. So now the truffles are ready, so please do enjoy one. This is of course one of the benefits of being a chocolatier. I would like to invite you to my shop to get a free box. Thank you. Thank you for visiting my shop and kitchen. As a gift I would like to offer you these European truffles.